Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a few things that I have recently purchased off of Amazon. You guys, I am always clicking and buying just about every night. It's terrible. I got a problem. Anywho, so let's get right into it. The first, I'm going down my list. I'm looking at it and I'm going down my list. Okay, so the most recent thing I bought is these embroidered sequins. Y'all, I bought this to go on a jacket, a jean jacket. You guys, look at this. Beautiful, right? I mean, it does have like some areas right there where it looked like, you know, the sequence is missing, but to me that's not a big deal. You guys, I got this for $10, and it also came with a smaller one. Y'all, it came with these little bees, I guess. Also came with this. Cute, right? And these are iron-on. Look at that. Cute, right? Okay. And then some more of the bees. I hope this is iron-on. Is it iron-on, or do I gotta sew it? Ooh, shoot, y'all. I was searching for a long time. I hope these. I'm gonna leave the link to everything in the description box. But now that I'm reading it, y'all, it said DIY sewing. Oh, I think I did not get the iron-on. Okay, well, you know what? Moving along. Okay, down my list, also bought a phone case. I don't care about that. Okay, I also had to get me some more of these jump rings. And this set right here cost me $6.89, which was not bad. It says 1,800 pieces, and it also comes with, you know, this little thing. Do it tell me what size these are? I actually lost my other set when I was down here in the basement cleaning, y'all. I think I accidentally threw it in the trash. Don't be mad. Look like something is in this goddamn thing. Can y'all see that? It looks like leaves. I'm not about to open up this thing and get a virus. Look. Y'all see that? Like the long sticks in there? Those is like leaves. Or it could be a bug. I'm not putting a link to that. I'm not putting that in nobody's house. I don't know. I'm not doing it. Okay. I bought Orbeez. Me and my kids, we also had like this huge Orbeez fight. I ordered like 100,000 Orbeez. You guys, it was the most fun we've had. Like, it almost tops going to Kings Island. Like, that was legit, genuine fun. We filled up 2 pools full of Orbeez. One team was on this side, one team was on the other side, and we just had an all-out fight. They invited their friends. It was huge. Okay, so the Orbeez I ordered 2 things. Of the 50,000, the 50,000 was only $6.99. I put the link to that. That's a bed frame. Okay. This I haven't even opened, but y'all, this is the first time I just noticed. Look, this is not even spelled right. So already I'm like, what is this? What is this? This is supposed to be like a bead organizer. So if you're doing jewelry, I do suggest getting this. This was $10.99 for the set. But look at it. See, this is for the necklaces. That way you can go ahead and align your beads the way that you want. Because I know a lot of times I'll make a whole necklace and then I look at it and I'm like, God dang, it's not symmetrical. It's not the exact same on one side as the other. And guess what? I got to snip it and start all the way over. So this is a great way to stop that, nip that in the butt. And this is great. This is for bracelets, you know, on doing the different sizes for the bracelets. Plus, it came in a set, so I was like, okay. What else did I purchase? 2 million blankets for my son. He's starting preschool. I got some more of them organizing bins. Y'all, them bins have saved my life, okay? Okay, something else. These little things. Look at that. Look at it. These are the size 8mm clear AB crystals. Supposed to be like spacer beads. I just like them because they're like the rainbow color. They're not like a clear silver. I'm not sure if y'all, I can't even open this. I gotta cut it all the way off, y'all. My bad. Oh my god, those are beautiful. Can you see? Can you see that? Look at that. Look at that. Those are very beautiful. Very beautiful. And these were $5.99 for 100 pieces. No complaints. No complaints from that at all. Buttons. Now these are not the buttons for like the button machine. These are actually for fabric buttons. I got 2 different sizes. How much were they each? They were $10 for the smaller one and then $11 for the bigger ones. But it also comes with, you know, the back for you to push it in. I do plan on making some of those. I do plan on it. I also invested in some crimps for my ribbon earrings. Something else I invested in. Y'all, I'm about to explore in this. Look at this. Printable vinyl. Do y'all know what that means? No. Printable vinyl. $8, y'all. $8. Like, the possibilities with this is endless because you can print whatever and then have your machine cut it out. Why did I not know that before? Like, it's fine. Okay, you know what? I also did get some new laminating sheets. It was a pack of 100. Y'all, that laminated paper, it was cheap. Like I said, I always do cheap. It was cheap, but it was worth it. Oh my God, my son is trying to get up in the camera. Nope, son. Not right now, son. I also got the Avery sheets, which is how I did my shirt last time, which you guys saw. You can purchase these on Amazon as well. Like I said, the link for everything is going to be in the description box. If you have any questions on anything that you guys saw, stop it. Please let me know. I'm going to cut this video off right here. He's trying to get all up. Oh, my Jesus. All up in my business. Okay, hi, son. You're here. And you smell like the outdoors. Yes, you do. You stink. You smell like outside. Yeah, it stinks. Okay. Like, Bye. Share, subscribe, everything. I'm going to leave the links to everything in the description box. And I will see you guys soon. Bye. Bye. Don't copy me. Bye. Bye. Oh, my God.